Hey friends, if you wish to fix the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to restart the computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart the computer. The next solution is to reconnect the USB device. And how would we do that? Just plug out the USB device and reconnect it to the same or a different USB port and then update the USB driver. So search for device manager, open the device manager, scroll down, expand universal serial bus controllers, right click on USB root hub and update it and update all the USB root hubs. Okay. One more thing, right click on this and select properties. Go to power management, uncheck this box, click on OK. Do this for all the root hub drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.